Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm here today to pick out the winners of the UV Cleaner giveaway. I appreciate everyone that watched the original video and commented, and I super appreciate PW Pam for sponsoring this. I didn't ask for these. She contacted me and said, hey, I'd like to help out your viewers and get these to you. So I will put a link to their Amazon page below. Check that out, get them some business. And again, I just appreciate that. Let's get on with this. The way this is going to work out is I'm going to pick out 6 winners randomly in order. I'm going to go 2 gray, 2 white, 2 of the wands. I have this random comment picker website here. I'm going to enter the URL of the video. Get comments. There are 65 of you that entered. I'll hit the start button here and it will randomly pick 6 winners in order. I will then reply to the original comment on the original video, and you have until January 1st to get back to me and we will exchange some information and I'll get these in the mail to you. If I don't hear from you by January 1st, I will pick a new winner on January 2nd and they'll get your prize. Also, as long as you're in the United States, just to save on shipping on my end, you also qualify as well. So if you're outside the country, sorry, but those are the original rules just to kind of cut down shipping costs. So let's have at it. Winner of the first gray is Funk Duck. Funk Duck's got a gray one coming to him. He wants to put it in his room. Winner of the second gray one is Joel Thornton. He's a trucker, gonna use it, lots of uses. Cornucopia of odors he's got there. Winner of the first white one is Maximus CTS. Gonna use it in the bathroom. Second white one is going to Ian Tan. Gonna put it in his shop. And then we've got 2 wands. The first wand is going to Chase 20 CV. And then the second wand is going to Takuchi Pakuchi. So, all right. I will post those comments on your videos. Good luck. Appreciate all of you that entered. Get back to me. We'll get you these, and best of luck to you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Next year's got to be better, right? Can't get any worse. So, all right. Catch you later. Stay safe. Thanks again.